A lot of time when you acquire third-party data, such as email addresses from somebody else, address information, campaign information, etc., in that scenario, you are likely to get an Excel file or a CSV file that has empty rows in it. In order for you to do your job, you need to remove those rows. In this lecture, I am going to show you how you can bulk remove these blank rows from your Excel sheet. If it's a CSV file, import it in Excel and follow the instructions that I'll show you in this lecture. So let's go to the Excel sheet. Here you have the data. As you can see, there are lots of empty rows in this whole file. One way to remove these blank rows is to go one by one and delete them individually. But that's not what we are going to do. I want to show you how you can bulk remove all these, because going one by one will be too tedious a task if this is a very, very long file. So in order to remove all these rows at once, select your data. You can either select all the rows or simply click in this corner and that'll select every single row in the sheet. Next, go to Find and Select on your Home tab. So you're on the Home tab and click on Find and Select. Click on it and click on Go To. In this Go To, click on Special and then pick blanks. This will highlight all the blank rows. So click OK. Here you can see all the blank rows are now highlighted. So go to any of these columns and right click. This opens up the menu and go to Delete. This will delete all the empty rows in this file. Click on Delete. Then here you pick up your options. What do you want to do? So I'm going to pick Shift Cells Up because that's what we want to do. Just move them all together. Click on OK. And here you can see it. All the empty rows are now gone. Pretty easy, right? So just to recap, select all the rows, go to Find and Select, go to, and then Special, blank to select everything, and then right click on any of those blank rows and then click Delete.